Hey, what's up guys? It's day 2 of the duck blind build. So I got my plywood brought in. I'm just gonna screw this thing down and we're gonna start building up the frame. I got my buddy Eric coming by shortly, so yeah, we're gonna bring this down to the river and get it all set up. So I'll show you the spot here in a bit. Alright, so I'm going to build the front frame. Found that 44 inches is just about perfect. So when you're in the seated position, you know, I can bring some brush up higher, but I don't want it to be blocking my view. I'll get these cut and ready to go. We loaded everything up, we're ready for the river. Got Eric here, he's helping me take some stuff down. And yeah, we've built the outer frame, got the platform built. And yeah, we're gonna put it, at least the frame up, then we'll work on the roof. This is Otis. Say hi, Otis, good boy. But yeah, we'll head down to the river. So we got all the supplies down, and this was completely dry this morning. We got some rain, so I think I'm gonna need to build some legs. So that might be the next step. Fetch it up, Otis. Good boy.
Good job, buddy. Over here.
Get some practice.
Over here. Good work.
Nice job, buddy.
Good work.
Well, we got it as far as we can go tonight, so we ended up getting it down. We're just setting it here until we can build some legs on it, but that's the space that it's going to be cleared out of. Ready for the legs and frame it all in and get it looking like a blind.